Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 22nd of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. Since launching its national energy strategy in 2009, Morocco has been working to raise the share of renewable energy. Their 2030 target is to have 52% of the installed electricity capacity powered by renewable sources and cut energy demand by 20%. As of May 2025, more than 45% of Morocco's power installed capacity was attributed to renewable energy. That is compared to 37% in 2021. The mix comprises 44% of wind energy. The energy sector of Peru closely follows the regulatory process of Law 32249. It has been in force since January, with the aim of strengthening the regulated market through tenders that favor competition among all technologies. While the final text has not yet been formally published, the lack of transparency in the process has raised concerns in the private sector. They have raised the need for greater openness and transparency in the process. Last Sunday, Argentina marked a milestone in its energy transition. Renewable sources supplied 44.28% of the national electricity demand. This is a new historical record in the country's clean energy generation. According to official information from Gamesa, almost half of Argentina's electricity came from clean energies. Wind energy contributed 3,495 megawatts, while solar photovoltaic generated 2,015 megawatts. Beijing Hexin Ruifeng New Energy Development signed strategic cooperation agreements with both PowerChina and the National Energy Group respectively to jointly build a new energy asset operation ecosystem. This partnership will further enhance Hexin Ruifeng's asset management capabilities and demonstrate the investors' commitment to the concept of a full ecosystem for asset operations. The essence of new energy asset operations is to ensure that every penny is not wasted and every kilowatt-hour of electricity is used wisely, thereby maximizing asset returns. Siemens Gamesa is suspending the Nacelle factory project in Denmark. It was expected to create approximately 1,000 jobs at the Port of Esbjerg. The project was originally presented as part of the Esbjerg Declaration in 2022. It was intended to support Denmark's ambitions for green transition, but Siemens Gamesa has decided to put its plans to build the Nacelle factory at the Port of Esbjerg on hold without a new timetable. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.